Makulay siya, parang siyang movie set.
Oh my God! Oh, wow! Instagrammable!
Wait, ang dami na nangyari, pinay-speak mo na.
I like Teddy sofa and it actually turns into a bed.
And then we have a round mirror over there. And then nandito tayo sa master bedroom, bathroom.
I'm so excited!
Ayan.
Itong next room na to, saan kayo makita Airbnb? May sofa, may bedroom, at
My PC. Tapos ito ang ating view. Napakagandang view.
no need for the guy when you have lipat ears!
You're never satisfied.
Here's why. Hit. Makinig ka.
Every day's an off.
Thank you for staying at ease.
Thank you!
What up, guys? So 6 months ago, me and my girlfriend decided to start our very own Airbnb.
We went from this.
We're gonna build from here until it's all done. The flooring is now brown. So this is actually Kuya Bernie won from the Christmas party. And now it's finally done. Do this. Today is the day where my family experiences the Airbnb that we are about to open. So, we're here with Niana, Mom, Tina, Natalia, Seiya. Daddy wala ngayon kasi medyo busy siya pero susunod din lang siya mamaya. But yeah, let's go to the condo because the Airbnb is there. Let's go!
Ma, di ba dapat sa mga first na customers may papagkain, di ba? May pabudol fight, may chips, may juice. Sabihin niyo naman yung tawag ng ano nyo, Airbnb nyo.
So, mamaya sa taas na. Hindi guys, ano lang to, kayo yung first guest ng Airbnb, so...
Kaya nga dapat merong pagkain.
Wala pa. Trial pa lang. Hindi pa nga actually tapos yung Airbnb, parang ano pa lang, 90% ganun.
So ano to, dry run.
Dry run.
Tapos merong opening. Tapos may grand opening. Tapos may grand opening.
Alright. Andito ang ating host.
What
Sabihin ko
floor?
ba yung floor?
Wag!
Ay, hindi ba?
Basta i-check nyo na lang sa Airbnb.
Link down below.
40.
Wow! Pagpasok namin dyan, anong gusto nyo? Real honest review? Or yung pang vlog?
Basta ano lang.
Ay, joke lang.
Pakita natin yung amenities. So may playground doon, ayun yung clubhouse, ayun yung basketball court, ayun yung swimming pool.
Wait lang. Halatang-halata naman kung sino pinaka-ready dito.
Sino?
Hindi pa ako ready. Marami pa ako babalikan.
Sleep at Ease yung name ng ano.
Bakit
Ano,
sleep at
brand.
ease?
Sleep at Ease kasi
At ease.
yan. Hanggang dito kayo at ease. Hulaan nyo kung ano yung interior design dito, anong style.
Yung gusto ko, yung ano, yung
Orange,
very
green.
warm lighting, tapos comfy couch, tapos very
May
like,
green couch.
Yeah,
May
it's
orange
very
na lang.
I feel like it's very
May computer.
colorful.
Parang si Mama.
It's cozy.
May headboard na green.
Tapos may mga posters. May posters from Temu.
Ang ceiling green.
Makulay.
May vinyl na
Basta
maluma.
magandang Airbnb.
Okay. Parang alam na alam nila.
gosh, wait, no, actually, when I first saw it, para siyang movie set.
Tapos may carpet na hindi ko type.
Makulay siya, para siyang movie set ng sitcom.
Oh my God!
Oh, wow!
Oh my God, ang ganda, guys.
Oh
Look
my
at this corner. Oh my God. Instagrammable.
Wait, ang dami nangyari. Can I speak muna?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so dito tayo ngayon sa living area. So this one's the welcome, ang tawag dito. Welcome corner. So nakikita nyo meron tayo East logo there. Mga shoe rack, trash can with style. And then nandito tayo sa kitchen natin. Ayan, aesthetic na ref. Pero microwave.
Ito yung microwave galing kay tita to.
This one's our dining area. Ayan, nakaupo na sila. So it's a transparent table with a
Sa'yo mag-breakfast dito, may
acrylic chair. And then in-install namin yung
ganda na may pailaw.
Alright, now let's go sa actual living room area. So itong living room, dito lang yan, katapat lang. So this one's a Teddy sofa.
So yung theme namin is Bauhaus. So Bauhaus design. Marami siyang mga ganyan na posters. It's very like orange, solid colors. Tapos with like touch of patterns. Itong couch na to, it's called a Teddy sofa and it actually turns into a bed.
Ganda,
Yes.
comfy niya. Pwede maupo?
Pwede, upo na kayo. Towel shoes! And then, ayan, yung design natin is a checkered carpet rug.
Pag naiiyak ka sa movie, yan tissue.
Ginawa namin dito maraming lamps para maganda yung vibe niya. So nakikita nyo meron tayong dyan.
May night mode.
So mga aesthetic lights, 55-inch TV. And then we have a round mirror over there para pwede mag-selfie yung mga mag-check-in.
Everybody smile. 1, 2, 3.
So artificial plants lang to pero it gives a vibe. Dito ang ating master bedroom. So sa master bedroom simple lang, queen size bed, and then a sofa.
It's so nice.
Carpet. So ginawa namin design yung vinyl para para may something there na makikita.
The couch. Yo, you know what? Your whole Airbnb is like my bed for my room.
And then nandito tayo sa master bedroom, bathroom.
I'm so excited!
Ayan.
Ang baho kayo.
Alright.
DIY nila to ni Ana.
So meron tayong design dito na nakaganyan para sa mga tata. And then our mirror, ayan, DIY ni Melissa to para may style. Actually, hindi pa tapos yung CR, so babalikan natin to. But so far, so good. And then our shower area is over here. Let's go, move on.
Itong next room na to, saan kayo makita Airbnb? May sofa, may bedroom, at
My PC.
Hindi na ako magko-computer shop! Hindi na lang ako Airbnb na lang. Hindi na ako computer shop.
So simpleng PC setup lang to. You guys can play YouTube videos and all that stuff.
Why
You
is
can
this-
work remotely.
why is this better than my setup?
The table can go up as well.
So yung kasi namin, it fits up to 6 people. So 6 people can sleep. So this day bed turns into 2 beds. So ito, you can
Under
lift it up.
pull.
You can lift this whole thing up and then put it here.
Yeah. So yan, naka-on yung PC. Yan yung ating PC setup. So you guys can play music and all that.
Importante sa lahat, Valorant.
You guys can play Valorant pero it's not that high quality kasi we just have a mini PC for here.
So talagang very comfortable here and plus chill, you can game. May ako dito commission. It's super comfy here. You can just relax. You can also like play games if you want, play music. Talagang chill ka lang forever.
Pwede mo pa picture
All
sa'yo.
day, stay here.
Pwede mo pa picture
Ganda pa ng view, which will go later. The view is super stunning. Especially pag sunset.
Moving on, second bathroom.
Oh my God.
So same idea siya. Yung kaiba lang is the flooring. So this is, ginawa namin siyang gray and white tiles just so it brightens up the room. Tapos ito, iba rin, may window siya palabas.
Alright, and now we go to the balcony. So we actually have a big balcony over here and sobrang ganda ng view. So, saan yung gusto pumasok? Doon or dito?
There.
So, meron chill area dito, ayan. Tapos ito ang ating view. Napakagandang view. Tingnan mo sila.
Yes! Yes! Sabi ko, no need for Tagaytay when you have sleep at ease. Yes!
Oh my God! My God! Hindi lang maglalaro ng PC, pwede rin maglaro ng physical activity.
So, meron tayong isa pang dining area over here. Kung gusto nyo kumain sa labas, ito. Good for maraming tao.
Pang mga McDo, ayan.
And then dito meron tayong mini golf. Wala kayong magawa, pwede kayong mag-practice ng putting. Yan. Pero wala pa yung pang golf so hindi pa natin matry. Pero yan siya.
Grabe no, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view, diba? Thank you.
Tapos meron pa palang ilaw dito pag gabi. There's a neon light. It's still morning so hindi pa natin makikita pero siguro mamaya. Alright guys, so far that is our Airbnb that we are about to open up soon.
Yes! Yes! Watch
So
out!
me and Melissa worked hard for this. So
Every day.
hard. Actually, sobrang tagal na namin ginagawa to. Mag-almost like 5 months or 6 months na.
Huwag naman masyado.
But yeah, so now it's finally time to like open it in public soon. And our first guest will be our family, of course. So they'll be staying the night here. I-experience lang natin. Magluluto tayo ng dinner.
2 nights.
Ewan ko kayo bahala. Maglaro tayong dinner, maglaro tayong board games, maglaro tayong Switch, manood ng movie, whatever we can do here, we're gonna do tonight. Swimming, kayo bahala. Pero yeah, so now it's time to just experience it and then tomorrow, let us know what you guys think.
Oh, got it.
Treat mo
Pambili ka.
I have to go.
Pero sinya na alis saglit kasi makikipagkita siya kay J-Hope.
Ang concert!
Ay! Na makikipagkita siya, nag-text sila eh.
Magka-eyeball sila dun sa concert. Eyeball.
Right.
Kaya I have to leave.
Guys, in-invite siya ni J-Hope.
Yeah.
Pero mamaya babalikan pagtapos ha.
Back up this one. Iuwi mo si J-Hope! Iuwi mo siya! Sige! Ang first client! Oh my God!
Let's let them experience a sleep at ease Airbnb. We're gonna show you guys how it looks like at night. So we have a neon light para maganda yung ambience sa labas paggabi. So let's turn it on. You guys can plug it in. Tada! Laki oh!
Yung Airbnb namin, it fits up to 6 people to sleep here. So this day bed turns into an actual queen bed. So let me show you guys how that works.
Alright!
Lift, put down.
And then you guys can actually close it here. Merong closean dito. Ayan dyan. Lalagyan na lang namin sa instructions para hindi maghiwalay yung bed. Alright guys, so we're gonna show you guys kung paano i-convert itong teddy sofa into a bed, into a chilling area. Let's remove the pillows, put it aside.
Then,
Remove this. There. And then balik natin yung dalawang pillow. So gagawin mo natin yung chilling area.
actually pwede mo siyang gawin, you can put these anywhere you want. So pwede siyang opposite corners, pwede siyang ganun pa rin para may sandalan.
So ito yung chilling area style. Alright! And then now, let's turn it into a bed.
Actually, meron kami mga extra pillows. So if you guys are gonna turn it into a bed to sleep on, we're gonna have pillows here.
That is our very own Airbnb. It's almost finally done. And we are about to open it up to the public soon. So make sure to book your guys' stay here at ease.
Link down below.
Sana ma-fully book tayo lagi.
Sana ma-enjoy nyo. Sana ma-feel nyo yung love and the creativity that we put into it.
Yeah, kasi it took us really a while to get this done. So, yeah, good job. Everyone went on a break a while ago, but now everyone's here, even Dad. So Dad's here as well. So it's the first time he's seeing the Airbnb. Andito na rin si Niana. So galing siya sa J-Hope concert. Ayan. Na-meet niya si J-Hope. May picture sila, may TikTok sila. Ano kamay mo, anak? Moist. Nahawakan mo siya.
Thank you po. Thank you, J-Hope. Pagod na ako, pero tingnan mo, sobrang relaxed dito sa Ease. Sleeping at Ease by Rance and Melissa. O, nakaka-PBB dito pa.
Say.
Super static.
Wow. Di ba lang parang, hey Siri, turn on the light. Dapat may gano'n. We're gonna make midnight snack.
Ay, wala akong pa. Kailangan mo muna mag sa APS.
Do, kala ko ikaw bahala sa kanin.
Wala kang rice cooker. Sabihan mo si Aya, di ba? Ang rice cooker doon.
May rice cooker kami.
May shit ako.
Wala ka na. Guys, magsasayang muna ako. Kasi lahat ng gagawin namin midnight stock na kanin.
Okay guys, so tulong-tulong tayo dito. Ano gagawin ba natin? Na food?
Ito, alam nyo na to, yung tuna,
Sushi.
yes, at saka chicken teriyaki rice.
Okay, chicken teriyaki rice and tuna sushi ang ating midnight snack.
Kaya may kailangan ka bang tulong? Or yung tulong pa namin yung hindi namin guluhin ikaw?
Hindi kailangan yung tulong. Ano yung pwede gawin?
Alam nyo naman pa na gawin.
Oh wow, look at the colorful bowl.
Kahaluin natin yung mayonnaise tsaka tuna. But we're gonna open it right now so that the family can play some games. So, let's go. Hey. There you go.
White?
This is the white version, so as you can see, so that's new. Hey. Saktong-sakto. Bagay na bagay.
It looks like a PS5.
Ganda oh.
Your
Wow.
Airbnb.
It is new. Alright, switch is up and ready. Let's charge it for a bit and then we're gonna play Mario Kart.
Night snack pa ba to? Breakfast na to eh. My cooking family. It's cooking mama, the game, and cooking sister. They are the cookers of the family. And I am the hyper. She's the hyper. The hype woman and the eater. The eater.
Kain na tayo. Okay na to. Go.
Alright guys, time to eat na daw, sabi ni Ma. Medyo quiet lang tayo kasi gabi na.
37 a.m. This one, by the way, is tuna sushi. Alright, so we always make this in the middle of the night when we're hungry with seaweed.
With the mayonnaise.
Alright, okay, kain. And everyone, is the chicken teriyaki. Alright guys, so Ninya's gonna leave.
Bye, ate.
Bye-bye. Alright guys, so the switch is set up. So me and Natalia's gonna play. Can Natalia go first place? We'll see. Babe, you're 7th place. Aim for the first. Babe, you're 8th place. Stop! Natalia's 4th. Go for first. You're 4th now, babe. Go, 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 go. Babe's 3rd. Babe's behind you. Second. 3rd. Good job, good job. Alright guys, and we are back. So we just dressed up onto wearing our pajamas because it's almost time to sleep. But before we sleep, we're gonna try to play some board games, and then we're gonna try to watch a movie and then go to sleep. So we're gonna convert the teddy sofa into a bed para dun lahat magbabanding. Tada! Alright guys, so we're gonna try this board game called Moose Master. Now the fun begins. Every player must keep a watchful eye and attentive ear on all other players. Patay mo muna. Here's why. Makinig kayo. The last player to perform the action shown.
Kuya, paano kita siseryosohin yung pupong siya?
Ano?
Ayan, sa paa. Parang witch.
Ay, pamedyos ka nga.
We just finished playing board games and inantok na sila Niana at saka si Seiya. We're supposed to watch a movie, pero baka kami na lang manood ng movie ni Natalia and Melissa. Ayan, tulog na sila dyan.
Hey guys, it's the next day. And now we're cooking breakfast, but Kuya's not yet awake, so I'm taking over. Mommy's cooking hot dog. Hot dog, cookie dog. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna eat soon. Yeah. Okay, guys, while my brother is sleeping, let's see the sunset. The very bright. It's so bright. Never mind. Just so. Okay, guys. Bye.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's almost like check-out time for them. So check-out nila ata is 12 p.m. and it's 11:30 or 11 right now. So far, so good. Sarap tulog ko. Ito ang tulog. Alright guys, so it's check-out time for my family. Si Aya, sinusundo na sila.
Sinusundo na po sila.
Check-out time ang mga natira, si Nat, si Niana, si Ma. Si Seiya, si Dad, umalis na kanina. Alright, before they leave, let's ask their feedback about the Airbnb.
It was so comfortable and very cozy.
Rate.
10.
Wow.
10 out of 10. Everything's so good. The bed, the sofa, amazing. The lighting, the ambience, the vibes is very. Love it. 10 out of 10.
Alright.
Yan, sinubukan ko lahat, pati nag-shower ako.
Feedback.
Sinulit ko. Maganda siya. Okay. Tsaka iba. Iba sa parang mga pang ka-age ko. Joke. Siyempre 10 over 10. Yun lang. Yun lang. Hindi. Maliwanag. Dapat yung blackout curtain.
Ang point kasi dyan, para yung mga tao magising talaga.
Yes. Kasi check out time.
Yeah. Ang tingin mo?
No. Pwede na po. Open na.
Open na. Guys, open na yung Airbnb nito pag na-post ang vlog nito. So, book na kayo. Alright, check out time. Bye-bye, ma. 2 nights, ah. Payment.
2 nights?
2 nights payment. Bye. Thank you for staying at ease.
Thank you.
Oh my God, ang ganda ng lighting dito sa Atis.
Sorry.
This one's for the edits.
Dami ko sinasabi, sorry.